Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something super cool for all you rooted and roid users out there. Getting the sleek and feature-packed Infinity X launcher up and running on your device. If you're looking to refresh your home screen experience, stick around because this is for you. Now, before we jump into the installation, let's quickly go over some key details about this specific port of Infinity X launcher. This version is ported from a March 5th, 2025 build, so it's quite recent and comes with some fantastic fixes and improvements. Now, a very important note about compatibility. I've personally tested this port on CurDroid Vanilla with Nick Gapscore, and everything worked flawlessly. I also tried it on LineageOS 22.2, but I did find that Circle to Search wasn't functional there. This port may or may not work on other Android 15 QPR2 ROMs, so your mileage may vary. You'll find two versions of the launcher available. One is specifically tested on CurDroid and the other on LineageOS. Make sure you grab the correct one for your setup. You'll find the download links for both in the video description below. For this video, I'm using my trusty OnePlus 6T, running on CurDroid custom ROM with Android 15, so let's get this installed. First, make sure you've downloaded the correct zip file from the description. For me, that's the CurDroid version. Next, open up your Magisk Manager or Kernel SU app. Go to the Modules section, tap Install from Storage, and navigate to where you downloaded the Infinity X launcher zip file. Select it and let it flash. Once it's done flashing, you'll see a prompt to reboot your device. Go ahead and do that now. And just like that, we're back. And as you can see, the Infinity X launcher is now beautifully integrated into our system. You can now dive into the launcher settings and customize it to your heart's content. All those fixes we talked about earlier are now active, giving you a smooth and stable experience. And there you have it, installing Infinity X launcher on your rooted Android phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome Android content, and let me know in the comments if you successfully installed it and what ROM you're running. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.